Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. So one more update that I want to tell you about Oracle 18c, which is related to the installation of your Oracle database along with the patching. So basically when you want to apply the patch, you need to take the downtime. Then there will be a lot of time consuming process will go whenever you want to apply the patch. So let's say you have one database and then you thought like, okay, now it's a time where you need to apply the latest patch. So basically you will take the approval from your client, they will give you the approval, you will shut down the database services, application services, then you will apply the patch. A lot of time, right? A lot of time is going in that phase. But now let's say we are in a situation where you need to create one database, and on that database creation time itself, or when you are upgrading the database from lower version to higher version. So basically there are two scenarios are there. One is while creating the database and another scenario is while you are upgrading the database. On that time only, if you are getting a chance to apply the latest patch on that particular database, then it will be really easy, right? It will save you a lot of time. You don't need to take again approvals, then apply the patch and a lot of things. So starting from your Oracle 18c, there we have a feature while you are installing the software, database software, while you are calling the run installer. On that time itself, you can install your latest patch. So when you can do that, while you are calling the run installer, and when you are calling the run installer, while your database software installation is there, or when your upgradation is there. So this is a new feature has been introduced starting from your Oracle 18c. I think this is one of the best feature that they have released it, which will definitely reduce your downtime and a lot of issues. So this is what I want to tell you with this video. Apart from this, if you are looking for Oracle real-time database training, definitely you can contact me. I just started my new batch 2 days back, so still you can join and you can learn a lot of things with me. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and